the throwback has resulted in this delay, and we must thank the first Senate, which in 2015 identified these deserving cases. Finally, but not least, the issue of royalties. This is theft. How would you give Vihiga 0? How? How can you sit and decide that Kirinyaga should be given 100 shillings? The fact that you are giving them 100 shillings, it means that you are admitting that there is mining taking place there. And if mining is taking place there, enough for you to notice it, then surely their royalty of 20% cannot be 100 bob. This is careless, open stealing of public funds. Let me, Mr. Speaker, give you the example of Kakamega. And this is fact. I come from the gold mining constituency of Shinyalu, Ikolomani, and Lurambi. Every week, Mr. Speaker, we mine and sell 10 kilograms of gold every Friday. And you compute this at the cost at which we sell gold worth 72 million shillings every Friday, Mr. Speaker. And with this, if you multiply it, just simple arithmetic, we sell, Mr. Speaker, in a year, 777.6 million shillings worth of gold. And when they calculate, Mr. Speaker, they tell us that our 20% is there. Sorry, I got you wrong. We sell 72 million shillings of gold every Friday, which translates, Mr. Speaker, to 3.68 billion shillings per year. 3.68 billion shillings per year. And 20% of that money is 777.6 million, which they should have paid us. And Mr. Speaker, you know what they paid us? Here, from this treasury here. They paid us 16,554. This applies to Siaya, where they do gold in game. This applies to Migori, where they do gold in Nyatige. And it applies even in your home, Mr. Speaker, in Kilifi, in Kwale. So people in treasury are just sitting, sharing money meant for royalties. I know of certain people who are in positions of leadership in this country, and please, I beg you, don't ask me to substantiate. You go in the areas where they are leading, there are so many projects they are doing beyond shareable revenue. Because these people used to work high up in government, they know how this money is loaded. So they go to National Treasury, they tell them, add me here, and they're doing projects. And they look like they are real performers when it is theft of money from Kolomani, from Shinyalu, from Lurambi, from Vihiga, from Nyatige, Mr. Speaker, from Game in Siaya. This house being a house of equity, this is the speech. We must stop that stealing so that this money can reach our people.